Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. My name is Sonia. Today we will be preparing pan-fried dumplings. Let's get started. Prepare the filling by combining all the ingredients together. Use a spoon to mix well. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do so. Hit the notification bell below in order to be notified about my new uploads. Into heated oil, cook until well done. Step is to prepare the homemade dumpling wrappers. Combine the all-purpose flour and water and knead until the dough isn't sticky and the surface becomes smooth. Roll out the dough on a floured surface into a long cylinder. Cut the cylinders into strips, then small squares. Place the filling into the middle of the squares. Bring the edges together using hot water. Clinch to form a closing. Continue these steps until all the filling is done. Place on a plate with parchment paper to avoid the dumplings from sticking to the plate. Heat some oil in a skillet or pan over medium heat. Arrange dumplings on the skillet or pan. Pan fry the dumplings until the bottom turns light brown, about 2 to 3 minutes. Add 15 ml of water to skillet. Cover the skillet or pan with its lid to let steam for another 2 to 3 minutes for a crispy finish. Repeat these steps for the remaining dumplings. Serve dumpling warm with a dipping sauce of your choice. I chose the Chinese soy sauce. Thanks for stopping by. I hope that you enjoyed the new video today. You can catch me on all my social media platforms. The link will be posted below. Goodbye.